The Grow with SAP Smart Manufacturing
S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition is a ready-to-run cloud ERP.
Offering the latest industry best practices.
Continuous innovation.
Simplify everyday work.
Digitize manufacturing with full end-to-end process visibility and control.
Adopt discrete and process industry embedded processes to create agile supply chain.
Operate with compliance and sustainability.
Accelerate innovations.
Thrive in a dynamic landscape by accelerating disruptive business and product innovations.
Easily attach and build differentiated capabilities.
Optimize manufacturing.
Leverage operational and financial insights to manage costs.
Make intelligent decisions.
Optimize resources.
Secure your success.
Go live with predictability and run with confidence.
Be ready for what's next with always-on updates to the latest innovations.
Protect your peace of mind with continuous security updates.